Hi everyone, welcome back. This week I'm going to show you two scale patterns that you can play over a 2-5-1 chord progression. This first exercise starts in the key of B flat major, so the 2 chord will be C minor. We're going to play the B flat major scale starting from C, going downwards. So C minor 7, so B flat major scale starting from C, going down the B flat major scale. And now we land on the root note of the F7 chord, F, and finally reaching B flat major 7. So now we're going to play B flat major 7, scale going up. Next 2-5-1 is in the key of A flat major. So we're going to start on B flat minor 7, so playing the A flat major scale starting from B flat. E flat 7, A flat major. Now we are in the key of G flat. So first chord A flat minor 7, so we're going to play the G flat major scale starting from A flat. D flat, G flat. And carry on like that. So we're going to see how it sounds over a backing track, and I will play over the 12 keys. For this exercise number 2, we're going to play the scale going up this time. So you will notice that if we just play the scale going up without adding any chromatic note, it's going to look something like that. So C. And on the F chord, we're playing G, that's not what we want. So we need to add a chromatic note somewhere, so we can land on the F on the first beat of the F7 bar. So I'm going to add a chromatic approach note on the 4th beat of the bar, the last beat. So C minor, chromatic approach note to F, another chromatic approach note to G, and we land on B flat. Play the scale going down, chromatic approach note. So again, key of B flat major starting with C. C minor, chromatic approach, B flat. Now we are in the key of A flat, starting on B flat minor, and we're going to play exactly the same pattern. B flat, chromatic approach, A flat. G flat major. We are in the key of G flat major now, so we're going to play the G flat major scale starting from A flat minor and adding the chromatic approach notes the same way we did. Chromatic approach, G flat major. And so on. So now let's hear that in context with a backing track over the 12 keys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. There will be a link in the description. You can download both exercises in PDF format as well as a play-along track.